to react heart on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can react heart on Pinterest. To begin, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. As you scroll through the newsfeed, you will encounter with various pictures here. Explore more by scrolling down until you find the pin you like. Once you located the picture of your choice, there you will see heart icon at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it and it will reveal the comment section. Here next to comment, you will see a heart button. Click on it to react heart. So now another way to react heart on your favorite pictures is by tapping and holding the same heart icon at the bottom left of the screen. This action will display different icons including the heart. Slide your finger to that heart icon and release to react with the heart. That's all there is to do. You have successfully reacted with a heart to your favorite picture on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.